Hi everyone. Today I'm trying for the first time actually trying to make, the Chinese sponge cake, which is light, fluffy, airy and not too sweet. So for my recipe I've gathered a couple of ingredients. Here I have a cup of, it's a smaller cake. I wanted to experiment it instead of, using the portion that was in the recipe. I have half the portion. So I have 1 cup of flour. I have 4 egg yolks that I beat along with 1/4 cup of oil. I have 4 yolks with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, since I don't have cream of tartar. Um, you know and here I have a half a cup of milk. Actually the recommendation is for water, but I wanted to try it with milk, so I've added half a cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I added a pinch of salt. My mom always added a pinch of salt for any sweet dishes. So I have whipped together my oil and egg yolks. I'm going to do it with my egg whites till I get stiff peaks. I'm going to add my flour to the egg yolk, the milk and sugar syrup that I've made, and make the batter, and then we're going to mix that batter in my beaten egg whites, and we're going to bake it at 350. I'm not sure of the time yet because, like I said, I have the recipe that was on the website. So I'm gonna. So as you can see, I've mixed the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients here. Like I said, I forgot to mention I used only half a cup of sugar. Recommendation was 3/4 cup, but since I don't like my desserts overly sweet, I reduced it. I'm going to see how it affects the recipe, but hopefully it does not. I beat my egg whites for about 7 minutes, and I think and you can see it holds its peak. So now I'm going to slowly add my dry ingredients, and I have a Pyrex baking dish that I am going to pour it in. It said not to oil the dish, but to bake it in an aluminium pan, which I do not have, so I'm hoping it works out with this one. I've heated up my oven at 350, and like I said, since I half the portion, I don't know yet of the duration, but I will let you guys know as I bake it and move along with the recipe. So here's my final result. I baked it at 350 for 40 minutes. I kept checking on it. If you can see, I do have a light crack. I'm not sure why. I need to research and find out, but I'm happy so far with the results. I'm going to try to turn it over and cool it down before I cut into it. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. See you next time. So here is my final presentation of my sponge cake. It's light, looks airy, it's got a nice golden brown color, and I'm really happy with the results. I hope you'll give it a try. And I do want to mention one more time that I only used half a cup of sugar, so it's not overly sweet, but the recipe calls for 3/4 cup of sugar. So based on your how comfortable you are and how sweet you like it, you can adjust your recipe. Thanks for watching my video.